Welcome to my channel, guys. So yes, this video was uploaded late, sorry for the delay, but yes. This was the day when I attended my online class for the last day before my autumn breaks, and it was really good. So I had to write my journal the first thing in the morning because I started to do this as a habit. But to be very honest, this really does not suit me like it does many of the people. I don't know why. This is the favorite part of my day where I sit with my mother and we talk about things, and I have my water, warm water, and she has the tea. I'm not someone who works out daily, but yes, I try my best to do it, and this time I'm seeing the video and working out. Recently, my geography ma'am told that every student has to read newspaper to understand what is happening around in the world. So, yes, in that motivation, I was reading this newspaper. After this, I have to do my online classes. Physical education was my first period. So, it is my sixth subject, which was not at all compulsory, but yes, it was mandatory for all students to take it. Term 1 examinations have started or is starting, so do tell me how your preparations are going on, because truly speaking, my preparation is not that well. So, after writing or completing my geography notebook, I got some free time, so I decided to arrange my books. So, these books were not arranged since when I passed class 10th. So, you can just relate it since last March or something, and I hadn't arranged it, so I was like, let's arrange it. So most of the books were NCRTs and rest were class 10 guidebooks. And of course for class 11 I have not used much guidebooks, as our teacher told that it was not required, and except for economics. So in economics I used Sandeep Garg for both microeconomics and the statistics part. Guys, please try this cup noodles. It tastes yum. So this one is, I think, vegetarian something. So yes, this was really good. Then almost at 5 or so we went to see pandals. So as we live in Kolkata, so we saw many of them, and I think yes, it was really beautiful, and proper precautions were taken. So I got a lot of things from there. So these jhumkas, they looked very pretty to me. And then I bought these golden clips. So these are in trend lately. So yes, then I bought these cute white pearl slips, I think that's what it's called. Then of course I bought a very beautiful necklace or pendant. Then I bought a black pearl bracelet. At night also the moon was really bright and beautiful.